Hello kids, welcome to Savita Thought Academy. Today we read Jadugar and Rinku. Long ago in a forest lived a rabbit named Rinku. There was a magician named Jadugar who had a magic carpet. Whenever Jadugar wanted to go anywhere, he would sit on the carpet and he chanted mantra. Hika hua dum dum dum. The magic carpet would take Jadugar to the place he wanted to go to. One day, Rinku Rabbit went to Jadugar because he wanted Jadugar's magic carpet. He asked Jadugar, Jadugar, will you give me your magic carpet? But Jadugar replied, Rinku, this magic carpet will be of no use to you. It will only get you into a trouble. Rinku ignored these words. He asked again, Jadugar, will you give me your magic carpet? Finally, Jadugar gave the carpet to Rinku, but he warned Rinku, use this carpet with care, otherwise it may put you into a danger. Rinku took the carpet home. He sat on it and chanted the mantra, Hikka Hua Dum Dum Dum. Take me to Sheru Rabbit's carrot garden. Whoosh! The carpet flew up into the air and took Rinku straight to Sheru's carrot garden. Rinku ate of all the carrots that Sheru had saved for his young ones. When Sheru saw this, he screamed, a thief, thief, somebody help me. Rinku laughed aloud and said, ha 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 ha, nobody can catch me. Hikka hua dum dum dum. Magic carpet, take me back home. Whoosh! Rinku reached home in a flash. Ha 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 ha, nobody can defeat me. Rinku sat on his magic carpet and chanted the mantra again. Hikka hua dum dum dum. Magic carpet, take me to Sweetie Squirrel's granny. Whoosh! The magic carpet flew through the air and Rinku soon reached Sweetie's granary. He ate of all the grains Sweetie had saved up for winter. When Sweetie saw this, she cried aloud, oh thief, thief, somebody help me. Rinku laughed aloud and said, ha 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 ha, nobody can catch me. Hikka hua dum dum dum, magic carpet, take me back home. Whoosh! Rinku reached home in a flash. Ha ha ha, nobody can defeat me. Rinku decided to drink honey from Bonnie Bee's honeycomb. He sat on the carpet and chanted the mantra again. Hikka hua dum dum dum, magic carpet, take me to Bonnie Bee's honeycomb. Whoosh! The magic carpet flew through the air and Rinku reached Bonnie's honeycomb in no time. He emptied every cell of the comb. Bonnie cried out, a thief, thief, somebody help me. Ha ha ha, nobody can catch me. Hikka hua dum dum dum, magic carpet, take me back home. Whoosh! The magic carpet flew up and sped through the air. Ha 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 ha, I am king of this forest. Rinku laughed delightedly. Rinku heard a sound. Boom, boom, what's that? Rinku turned back. It was Bonnie and his friends. Rinku flew his magic carpet at great speed, but Bonnie and his friends chased him. They stung him all over his body. Rinku cried, I promise not to trouble anyone again. Rinku, you are wicked man. Give the magic carpet back to Jadugar, else we will sting you to death. Hikka hua dum dum dum. Take me to Jadugar's house. Whoosh! The carpet reached Jadugar's house. Rinku fell at Jadugar's feet. Jadugar told Rinku, You misuse the carpet and trouble others. Go work hard and find you food yourself. Ever since that day, Rinku became a good rabbit. Thank you, kids.